Hey y'all, it's Ava. Welcome back to What We're Eating, and there's always room for one more at the table. Today, we are going to do whole catfish. Whole catfish. I also have, can you see me? I also have catfish nuggets that we're doing and french fries. It's Sunday. We're just going to keep it simple today. Just catfish, whole catfish, catfish nuggets, and fries. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is get my oil heated up and start seasoning my fish. Alright, so here are my catfish nuggets. So what I like to do with my fish, I like to add a little bit of salt. Not too much because my cornmeal it's already seasoned. So I don't want to do that too much. Add too much. Go ahead and add pepper. Should have had all this open, but it's okay. And so I will season it with pepper. Alright, so I already added my salt, I added my pepper. So now I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. I'm going to add onion powder. Just like to cover it pretty good. And then I also add a little bit of lemon pepper because I like lemon pepper on mine. And I just mix it up to make sure my seasonings are getting all over my catfish nuggets. Pepper. If I don't think it's enough, then I'll just add some more. All right, so now we are getting ready to batter up these catfish nuggets, and I'm gonna go ahead and season my whole catfish too. All right, so I have my catfish, my whole catfish, and I want to season this up pretty good. So a little bit of salt, got my onion powder. And I know a lot of people don't like garlic powder. Not they don't like garlic powder, but a lot of people don't like whole fish. Some people don't because of the bones, but I love it. A little bit of pepper. And do you want a little bit of lemon pepper on yours? I'm asking my husband, y'all. Okay. So then I'm gonna flip it because I want both sides seasoned. So I hope y'all are having a great day today. It's Sunday. I know a lot of us got to go back to work tomorrow. That weekend just goes by so fast. And this is my garlic powder. And I like to just rub that in. And I also like to add a little bit on the inside too, on that part there. Yep, get that seasoning real good. All right, so we're gonna get ready to fry this up. Alright, so I think I'm going to go ahead and fry my whole catfish first. So I'm just going to put it in the batter and just roll it around. I want that batter on here real good. All in this little opening here. I want the batter all in here. I'm just going to roll. And then I'm going to place it. And I like to test my grease to make sure it's hot enough too. And yes, it is. I'm going to go ahead and get this oven rolled up in here too. And I just like to place it on in here. try to pat it on here because I like a lot of crust. Batter. Just gonna let that cook. All right. All right, so I have the fish in here. It is cooking, and I like to cook it at least a couple of minutes on each side, and then I just keep flipping it. See how pretty that is? Yeah, I love fish. I like to fish too. I love to go fishing, even though I never go. But when I was younger, my parents used to take us fishing, and when we used to go to this place in Chandler. It was like a fishing hole where you go and you pay, and however many fish you catch, you pay for it. So we went, and we were just gonna go and pay. I mean, we were gonna fish and catch a few fish and pay for it, and go home and eat it. Well, like I said, I like to fish. And that day, I know I was just throwing it in and catching, throwing it in and catching, throwing it and catching. And I caught, I know, at least 12 fish. It was a lot. Like I said, when it's a fishing hole, there's a lot of fish in there. Well, I caught like 12. So my parents decided, they weren't going to pay for all that fish. And you're not supposed to throw them back in. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be saying this or not, but it was years ago. Well, anyway, my dad didn't want to pay for all that fish I caught. So I started catching a bunch, but he started letting it go and throwing it back in. And I'm like, why are you doing that? I'm catching my fish. I'm little now. He was like, hey, we ain't gonna pay for all this fish. We're gonna catch a few, then we're gonna get on. Anyway, it was just funny. And back then, I didn't know that's what was happening, but I do now. But that's my fish story. It was funny to me. Yep, and it is frying so good. I wish y'all could smell it. I'm gonna flip this back over. Love some good fish. Alright, so this fish has been cooking maybe about 2 minutes on each side, and I just keep flipping it because these pieces are kind of thick, and I like my fish hard. I don't like real soft fish, so I'm just flipping it like every couple of minutes. Make sure it is cooked good. And while I am waiting on that too, I'm gonna go ahead and batter up my catfish nuggets. Get them good and battered up too. Me and John are gonna eat the whole catfish, and my children are eat the nuggets because of the bones. Even though there still be bones and nuggets too, so you still have to be careful. But go ahead and put that for them. My daughter might not even eat any because she is not a fish eater. I don't know why. I love me some fish. I don't know. Dad loves fish. I don't know. She just don't really care for it too much. But she eats tuna. Make it make sense. So I don't know. I'm trying to understand. You don't eat fish, but you eat tuna. Y'all put in the comments if that makes sense to y'all. Because I don't understand it. And this is fried fish. Tastes better than tuna to me. And I like tuna too, but fried catfish, I'll take that over tuna any day. Just gonna rank them off. Rank them off. I know that's southern, but rinse. But a lot of people say rank. I'm gonna rank them off. Like my grandma and grandpa used to say, go on in there and rank it off. They're like, rank? What's rank? Rank it off. Ooh, yeah. That looks good. So, I'm just gonna let these cook a little bit longer. It's almost done in the way we like our fish. Like I said, we don't like real soggy fish like that. I like it kind of cooked hard. So, all right, y'all. So my fish is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of here and grab it good. Place it on here. So the paper towel can drain some of this grease off. Ooh, that smells so good. Now I'm gonna come over here and start frying my catfish nuggets in this pan. So we're gonna get that done. Alright, so I'm gonna batter up the rest of these nuggets. Alright, so this first batch of nuggets is almost done. Starting to float. Almost ready. Alright, so this first batch of catfish nuggets are ready. I'm just going to take these out and place them right beside my whole catfish. And now I'm going to place another batch in so it can cook. Alright, so now this batch is done. Get ready to cook these fries, and then we're gonna eat. I'm gonna set my fries right here. And in the same grease, I'm gonna put my fries in. Be careful, I don't need it to just splatter out on them. And I'm just using crinkle cut fries, frozen fries. Oh Lord. Yeah, my husband be making me laugh in the background. Alright, so the fries are ready. So I'm gonna go on and fix my husband's plate so he can go on and eat, because he said he ain't eating nothing all day, so I know he's hungry. And I am too. Get these kids fed. Add a couple of more fries in here and get his plate fixed. I know he's my taste tester. Want a little lemon pepper on your fries?
Sure.
What?
Yeah, let's put it over.
I know, huh? All right, y'all. So our Sunday meal is done for today. We have the fried catfish, the catfish nugget, fries. I cut up some onion. We got bread because you gotta have bread with fish. You know, most people do. And then you got the ketchup, and then also my husband have some hot sauce that he's gonna add to it too. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody that loves home cooking, okay? And until next time, savor the flavor, one recipe at a time. I'll see you at the table.